Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and we are going to review another product from Warrior Plus called CryptoProfitz. Okay, that's the name at the top. It's easy to find. So CryptoProfitz is some kind of website builder. So it is going to create some done-for-you crypto sites with free traffic from 200 plus sources that make us $331 per day. Now, if this makes you this much money, friends, then why are you selling out the system? I don't understand. So I feel pretty sad for these people because they are going, they're trying so much hard to earn money by selling their souls. They don't have any souls. They don't have any ethics. They don't have any, I don't know. So they just want money. They just want to feed on you, like vultures. Like you are the prey and they are the hunters. So they are not smart. Okay, so if they are selling you some dodgy products, some stupid products, it doesn't make them smart. But if you buy them, then it makes you a fool. So it is not their expertise to scam you. It is your stupidness that you are a fool and you purchase these kind of products. Okay, so they're not smart, but you're a fool. Now let's continue further with this website and this review. We'll try to keep it this short, but before we go into further and how I explain, how I prove you that this is a scam and everything, we would like to show you the demo here, which is 2 minutes long, and during that I will not speak. So watch this 2 minutes video completely, then I'll be back and then I'll prove you how you're gonna lose your money if you buy this software. Okay, so do not go anywhere, stick till the end, otherwise you will lose the money. So let's play the video. I'll be back. Alright, so you have seen this demo, okay, and he logged in and created a sample website, and he copied some videos from YouTube and posted it on his website or whatever, and eventually you had this kind of website. This is how it looks like, and let's check the URL. Now this is where my game starts. This is where I come into the picture. So this website is CryptoProfitzapp.com. Now let's go back to Google and make Google useful. So CryptoProfitzapp.com. Okay, this is the website they're going to give you if you are going to buy this software. Okay, So first it's asking you to log in. Now we'll have to find the exact URL. What was the URL here? It is crypto-guide-1. So let's see if you can open that one. So crypto-guide-1. Is it working? Yes, okay. So this is the website you are going to get, and you're supposed to make sales from this kind of website. So these are the videos which have been extracted from YouTube without the permission of the actual creator, which means you're stealing the content from YouTubers and you might get penalized for that. But leave all that aside. Now these are the videos on this website. You're supposed to get this website. Now let's say if 100 people are going to buy this product, then all those 100 people will have the same website. That will be CryptoProfitz.app.com. So once you log into the dashboard here, where is it? So once you log into the dashboard, let's say 100 people have purchased this software. So all of those 100 people are going to buy the same software, which means they all will have the same website, which will look like this. So how can 100 people have a same website using this particular software? And leave all that aside. Let's see how are you going to get the traffic, because they talked about free sources, and I'm really here they are. Okay, so you see those are free sources which I talk about in every video. Those are Facebook, Telegram, Gmail, this and that. So they're asking you to just copy this link here, copy this website link, and spam your social media accounts. Spam Facebook, spam Twitter, post everywhere, and get your account suspended. That's what they're asking you to do. That's the free traffic which is included in every Make Money Online traffic. Okay, now let's come to the technical part. Let's copy this URL. So let's say this is the website or the URL or sub page they're going to give you. Now let's first of all understand when this website or domain was registered. Here you just paste it and click on Whois. So this is a website called whois.com. Here you can see they have purchased this domain from Namecheap, and this was registered only a week ago, like on 8th of June 2021. So this website is only this domain is only a week old. A 1 week old domain or a website will not rank in Google searches, will not bring any traffic. Okay, apart from that, let's check what is the domain profile or domain rating of this particular website, which they are going to give everybody. So it's not even different, the same domain to everybody. Now here you can see the URL rating is 0, domain rating is 0, 0 backlink 0, everything is 0. So this new website which is launched or registered on 8th of June has no online presence, has no authority in Google, has no online presence, which means the posts, the articles, everything which you write on this website are not going to rank in Google. So they're lying, because let's come back to the sales page again here. We don't have to waste much time. This once you see this kind of message, somebody making $331 per day, $500 per day, $200 per day, my friend, if you're making that kind of money, why are you begging on Warrior Plus for people to buy your product? Why are you selling this for 17 bucks, 15 bucks, and you want to make some money? So if somebody is making $500, they will not need to come on Warrior Plus to promote their crap. Okay, so this is again the dodgy website. It's all the same. These are some proofs and everything. This is all fake. You can make such websites every day. On Warrior Plus, you will see these websites like 10 times per day. 10 products gets launched on Warrior Plus every day, which are scam products. Okay, so let's not waste time on the website. Here you can see this domain rating is 0. It's not going to rank. Okay, this, no matter how beautiful the website looks like, the internal work, the SEO is not going to be done on this website, and you will not make any sale whatsoever. It's not about this upfront product only. If you buy this product, let's say if you go right into the funnel, you will be sucked up into the sales funnel. So the upfront cost is 17 bucks. If you want to upgrade, you have 39, 197, this and that, all that crap. Okay, so it's not that they will only take 17 bucks from you. They'll ask you to pay more and more and more. For what? For nothing. So keep your credit card details inside your pocket. Don't waste your money. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell notification so that you can get our review videos as soon as possible so that we can save your money. Okay, thank you for watching.